Right, they got way more. So they playing defense. That's why they're not down here.
I was like,
Help!
So if they go down here, you got 3 or 4 back here.
It's on the left side, help!
Kick that out of here. There you go. Good.
Go, take it!
There you go.
Take it!
Take it out,
Take it,
pass it out, quick, pass!
Got it!
Oh yeah, yeah. You gonna talk to him, Adam? Talk to them.
Back that way. Score. Up your way. There you go.
I was playing 2K all day the other day. Fall asleep while playing the game. I'm like, oh, I'm still playing pop.
Go in the middle. Joseph, get outside.
He's using that body.
Go ahead.
He's like, hold on.
Grab it and go, grab it and go! 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 Don't stand by the defense. All the way up.
It looked like you switched him and Adam.
Oh, okay.
Go.
Let's go.
Let's go right there. Let's go right there.
Good.
Let's go right there. Get in there. Yeah. Go. Take it out, Victor.
Race! Race!
Get out.
Race!
Good. Let's go, Maurice. Get it back. Stop being scared of the ball, boy.
Race!
Left side.
you don't want to get tackled with no tackle. It's gonna hurt. Never mind. Oh, breakaway.
Okay.
Pass it.
It didn't count.
How's the offsides? He was dribbling the whole time.
I don't know.
Something, I don't know.
Oh, it didn't count.
I don't know.
Hey, I'm still learning about that. He was dribbling though, so
Yeah, he was dribbling. How's the offside?
I don't know. He said that score was too fast. Don't count.
take it.
Right there.
There you go.
Good job, Colton!
I thought he was ready.
I thought he was.
Good.
Nobody's there.
There you go. Ah.
Good job.
Good try.
I like that.
What? Hey. There you go. Good. Oh.
Right side.
Bad try.
It's 2:20-minute half.
Good job they don't have clothes on.
Making me cold.
Yeah, you put clothes on that baby?
The clothes is there.
I know.
You better put it back on. I'll make you put it back in the car. Thank you, love.
Good job,
Kick
Colton.
it up, kick it up, kick this!
Hey, good reflex.
Good
reflex.
Good job, Colton. Take it.
That whole team been at practice. You know the plays and stuff, Connor? You got to work with you. Definitely at practice today. We need to get you in the office.
Mo, got too bunched up, man.
He said, I got
But
it.
when you slow, you're going to have to get in there. God, I don't know. God? He's like 180. No, he doesn't. No, he doesn't. How much weight?
You're a liar.
No, he weighed like 180. We're going to have some big boys out there. We're going to have some big boys going again. We're going to have some 300 pounders pushing you out the way.
Which one?
You know, always have like 300 pounds on their line.
Yeah, but they're
It's still This is last year, though. Yeah, this is last year. Somebody else stepping up as commissioner next year. But I was like, come on. Yeah, I was like, come on. You letting us know the last year, right before.
yeah.
It's just that they had to meet it. We had to meet it and told us we wanted to get it. He said, everybody's going to be on that includes insurance. So we think, okay, cool.
Hey, Michael trying to score long distance. I like that. Hey, Michael, keep doing that.
Yeah, let us know. Hey, it's part of it, but we got to get it. Yeah, there goes man. He was like, so am I the only team that's doing it? I was like, I ain't know nothing about it. We got it. I sure think cross track Tuesday now. So I was like, hey, I should close it early. But I started thinking cross track Tuesday. No, so it's not for us, for players to coach. It was for like if at the stadium, if a kid hurt themselves, God forbid, he missed the game. Yeah, we got a $1 million policy.
Get in there, Grace.
It was like
Get in there, Grace.
You still remember none of y'all. You think I got a whole different... Because everybody look different. And he didn't see everybody in a year.
Yes.
I think that's cool.
Yeah, so you think I got a whole new thing. I told him I only had like 8 but that's true.
Keep recording the video.
I mean, I got you, Wagner,
gold shoe and
I might have pink now.
a pink,
Because we got Chance and Wagner from Boston.
Wagner.
muffin
We got Singletary,
Grace,
Taylor.
get in there.
I want that problem.
Good job, Michael.
Yeah, Black Dodger. That's about it. That's about it. It's about 8 turns.
I mean, unless I'm forgetting somebody.
No.
10, maybe. Out of 38.
Hey, let's go.
39 with Coach Hall because he said just in case you get in for one play, just $10. But we got 38 players on the roster. That's the whole team. So basically the whole team is new.
Minus the dudes at PCF.
Get it back, Colton. Get it back. Get it back. Right side.
Yeah.
Stay there, Grace. Stay there.
Right, get it back.
You guys got to spread out.
But everybody,
Okay?
everybody said they was beating.
I know they said it, but
But we'll see. I mean, long as we got the main
What game?
Like 2 or 3.
What game? Just tell me when.
And then when people got injured,
We had 3 if you count you and Duncan.
we had 3 on the side.
Never. Never had 3.
That's Pete. They all. So we had no people on the side.
Yeah, I remember that because that game against Medina.
All right, get ready, Ariani.
Take a break. You are the break.
Nice. Yeah, like you are the best. But like our football team is
How
not
do you go, Luca?
Good job, Colton. Pass it.
Oh, let's go. Let's go.
Take it, Michael.
Let's go. Good pass. Good pass.
Nice. Nice.
Pretty good team. So this team, basically, most of these guys were on the team last year that won the championship on all of the teams. They got. Yeah.
There you go again.
Yeah, the team they're on now, most of the guys, because Kendrick didn't play last year, right? So Michael, Adam, they all won the championship.
Ooh.
Last year.
Oh, Adam wasn't on the team last year?
He was on Caden's team.
Oh, Adam was on Caden's team?
Colton right there. That's with the ball. He played last year.
Somebody pick it up.
That's the goal again. Ooh, so remember the came down?
Got no reserve.
And now you got one reserve.
They got one. Well, they
You
missing 2.
get the head tied
Oh,
up.
I'm over there doing the hair. I always talk about cutting his hair. I'm like, we're going to cut your hair.
I don't think we would be the same.
His mama have a fit.
Yeah, I go pretty good.
Adam using his body.
Yeah.
I guess say Adam. Use his body.
Let me just throw this up in there.
Adam put too much body in there.
It's not his fault.
Good.
No, they're just playing at the playground.
Here they go.
Oh yeah, too fast for him, boy.
Good job, Michael.
What's up?
I'm just gonna lay down real quick.
Well done, sideline. I'll be all right.
I don't know how to get. Good one.
Yellow, we're too tight. Spread out.
You going? It's either two or I know which one.
Back, back.
Yeah, just started. Oh, big, big. Oh, good. Got a teddy.
Thank you. No, no, we're not sharing. No.
Study in sports and stuff. Next to Nick? I swim in the pool one time and I'm tired.
I'm telling you.
Like, I go to the end and I'm like, all right, that's enough.
I did 200 freestyle, 100 freestyle, 100 back, another 100 freestyle.
Freestyle is easy, right?
Freestyle is and then 50 breaststroke and
Unless you want me to go under and keep up. I can't even do that. I can swim, but I can't do that. No, really.
They'll stop, baby.
Wow.
They'll stop. You're getting dirt everywhere.
You got dirt in my eyes.
See, you got dirt in her eyes. Do you need help? You need help? I can't hear you, baby. Scoot away from the field. Come this way.
Good, Mo. Good, get it out of here. Go get it, Michael. Go get it. There you go. Go get it. No, they switched people out. They started off with Kaden and now Mo. Who was the goalie last time?
Adam.
No, they switch you out. Give people. It's not like 3 or 4 weeks. They switch them out. Give people different people. You go. Go ahead. Go.
That flip cartwheel. I flip it. I just flip it. You want to flip with me?
Oh, come on. We got 4? I thought one didn't count.
3.
Come on,
Yeah.
Paul!
I lost count. Mo would have had one, but they took his back.
Yeah, that's what I said.
team? So I think it's about 3 of them. So we have 12 today.
We got 15 kids on the team?
Yeah, we're missing 3 today. I think 2 more days. We got a full team. Go get it, go get it.
Come on, Victor!
Hey, Victor, go get it.
Come on, Victor, get in there!
I'll be so worried about these kids.
Good job, Victor!
Damn,
Go,
that
go, go,
knee.
upfield. Spread it out, spread it out. Spread it out. Spread, spread, spread. Center, 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 center. Run with it, run with it. Yellow, yellow. Ball.
No, baby. No, your dolls are not.
Take it, there you go, take it.
Run with it.
There you go, Kate. Good.
Where's your daughter?
Hey, go get it, go get it. You missed it.
You see your daughter?
Asking. Yeah. Do you see her? I don't know.
Right side. There you go. There you go. Go fast. Go, go, go. Roll with it, roll with it. There we go. Stay with it.
Nice, nice.
What are you doing back there? Get up here.
I know, she probably went too quick.
Okay.
Come take this.
You say?
Come on, Victor!
Just, you know what? I thought it was recording. I missed it. Yeah. I thought it was recorded. It wasn't recorded. She said, come grab this and handed it to me like it was recording. She said, here, come grab this and was looking at it. Yeah. She could have put it down and just handed it to me if it wasn't recording. I just missed the whole 2 minutes. Because you handed it to me like it was recording. You was like, here, come get this. Instead of just handing it to me. So I thought it was still recording.
It's okay.
You could have just took it off your hand and handed it to me. You was pointing at the field like it was recording like this. You were like, here, come take this.
But then I did take it off my hand after I
Yeah, but
hit
you did
stop.
this, babe. You
No, I
did
didn't.
this.
No, I didn't.
Okay.
No, I didn't.
Well,
No, I
here.
didn't.
It's recording. Hey, you go, hey, you don't go to the playground without telling nobody, you hear me?
I told her no.
You're gonna get in trouble later.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I missed about 2 minutes.
Run.
Nobody scored that.
Right side, right side.
The bad
Right side, right side, right side.
It's all good. trying to play hard today, huh?
Win a prize.
Yeah, he's trying to play hard today. He out there getting in there.
You having a
Boom,
better
there you
game
go.
today than last week?
That's normal.
That's normal. We always fall.
Where we gonna get a hamburger from? We ain't got no Burger King. So where we gonna get a hamburger from?
Hit it out. Go, 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 dribble, go. Left side, left side. You gotta get rid of that. You gotta
There
pass.
you go. Good, Adam. Good.
Take it. Take it.
Spread out. Spread out, Blue.
Oh. Ah.
Where's she at? Oh, I guess you better not be disappearing again, little bad self.
She said, can I go to the playground? I said, no. She said, well, my baby dolls are going. Let me go get them. And then she ended up on the swing.
Hey, don't laugh. It ain't funny.
Yeah, she said, well, my baby dolls are going. Let me go get them. And as soon as she see me on that hill, here she come running up the hill.
I got him.
Like mommy ain't throw you away.
Does Leo start school next year?
No, still got 2 more years.
Gonna start preschool?
What age do you start preschool?
Between 3 and 4.
Really? Oh, well, I need to get some information on that.
About that. You can start to give you a little break now.
It'll only be for a couple months before we leave, but sure.
Well, the preschool here on base is pretty full. They only do 17, but where you're going, you might want to look into what they're...
Oh, I was definitely... She got to go.
And try to get her registered early for that.
Yeah.
So it's like 5-zip now?
Go, get it, Grace. Don't stop. Get the ball back, Grace. Go, Caden.
Adam, get down the line.
Get it back, Caden. Let's go.
Michael doing? Where's Michael doing?
Michael's taking a break, baby.
Get out, Jeremy.
Come on, Ty. Yeah,
You go, go, go. Hustle,
Catch it, catch it.
Hustle. Cut him off.
Stop, Grace. Get that ball back.
Where you going?
Get on it, get on it. Right side.
There you go, Victor. Get it, Victor. Let's go, Victor.
There you go.
All the way up.
Lay out. Okay, okay.
Let's go, Jeremy. Go. Get out there.
Tyler, get up the field and help out, kiddo.
Lay out. Go. Lay out. Do not go out that gate. There you go. Oh, that was nice, man. That was nice. There you go.
Good job.
Go, Victor. Let's go, Victor.
Okay, okay.
Get it back, Victor. Get it back, Victor.
Ty, be there. Bryce, get in there.
Johnson's jersey and somebody else's jersey.
I'll come stop by and get it.
Yeah, Johnson.
Hey, y'all can go ahead and leave if y'all want.
No, we finished the game.
Get it.
I mean, it's over pretty much.
Get in there, Grace!
There's no way they're going to come back. Well,
They might. You never know.
Good job!
Stuff could just fall apart.
There you go. There we go. Stay with it. Stay with it.
Oh, good. Come on, Grace!
Oh.
Center.
Yeah, they're good. Oh.
Get it. Go. Good job. Kick it! Oh! Right. Let's go, boys. Go. Get up there, Grace. Get the ball back. Hold it. Yes. Kick it.
Hey.
Chase it.
no defense back there. Hey, run, go. Ain't got no defense back there. Everybody staying back.
Tyler, come on, Grace, come on, get him! Grace, get in there, Grace! Take that ball away.
Hey, it's our ball. Hey.
It's our ball. Go.
Tyler, go!
Nice. Go. Push it.
Whoa!
Pick it up. Victor,
Tyler,
get
get in there!
Oh.
Good.
Go by himself!
Who's outside? Somebody's outside?
Hey, good try, Hornet.
He was standing behind the last one.
You should be on that track. I just know that.
Oh, yeah.
I'm fancy.
Yeah, I still don't know. I'm trying to figure it out.
God.
Let's go, take it. Hey, look, both Cadence got 32 on. The female Caden got 32, and then our Caden got 32.
Go, Victor. Go, Victor, get it back. Hey, go, Jerry. Let's go, big leg. Get a big leg in there.
Grace, get in there! Get that ball back!
Get ready for the rebound. In the goal. Towards the goal. Nice. Kill it. Jump on it. There you go. Kick. Set. Move it.
Going to the middle, not down.
Towards the goal. There you go. Get it back.
Good, Caden.
Center. Kill it. Hey, good try, Hornets.